extremely short video for today. But on the grounds I keep doing over an hour long videos, I think this is a nice break for you. Using coach buses on the Gateway Link today. Let's see if the local will still stop at Stonehill. Every time I ride the local, it just breezes right on by Stonehill, and that can easily be solved by just asking the driver to stop. But I am willing to bet no one uses the Stonehill stop, so let's fix that. Today's the 1st, leaves in 2 minutes. Let's add to the Stonehill numbers. Okay. Alright, there's one for Stonehill. For anyone who sees this in the future, the driver said to wait past that light where the brown house is. So, through this intersection where that brown house is, that is the stop for Yankee towards the Bat Center. And I do not believe they've said this officially to the public, but the driver also mentioned that the service is free for June through June 2027. I believe Fall River has said they are free. Bat on their YouTube channel said they were free. Gatra, I do not know. But that driver said they are free for another year. So it looks like everybody will be free for another year throughout the state, except the MBTA. So, quick video for you this week. Trying to do one for you every week, but sometimes it'll be hard to do. There's only so much I can do in this area.